Hello, my dear friends. I am very happy to see all of you today. I saw today new updates and I will show you. This is an independent site which shows what it is going on with iMarketing. iMarketing have renewed totally the site Cashback ProBiz. For those of you who don't know what is Cashback ProBiz, this is another site of iMarketing, and this website they have created when the Russian authority Rostomazor blocked iMarketing on the territory of Russia. This website, Cashback ProBiz, allowed iMarketing to continue their activity at that time. iMarketing did a lot of updates on the main site of iMarketing and on Enable network of a few updates, but the site cashbackpro.biz, they have totally renewed and I will show you now. For me, this is great to see that they are working actively. So you can see that I am here on buildwith.com, this independent website where you can check anything you want. And if we come here to the last detected, then we can see that everything, it is updated on December 2022. Can you see? December. This is so amazing. They have changed everything, all the technology, payments, solutions, languages. Here you can see all these languages have been changed and renewed also. There is no even one line which was not changed in December. We can see that the registered services, they have renewed until 2024. When we see the dollar signs, these are the paid services which I have told you about in the last video. Proton Mail and the other one, let's see. It is Alexa certified site metrics, and here is also mentioned that they are spending money on technology. So we see that Cashback ProBiz was totally renewed by them. Please share this with your teams. When we come here to the relationships, we can see that Cashback ProBiz is in contact, it is in relation with iMarketing. Yes, we come here, we write INB network. In Enable network, they have also made some changes and I'll show you the proofs. Everybody can do it. Just go to buildwith.com. We can see here in the detailed technology profile, and we see that a lot of things were changed in November. Here it is that paid technology that they are paying for, yes. Here we can see an update in the Cloudflare hosting, Elastic email, December. So they also have a few updates, but the most of them are in November, which is very, very good. We can see that they are fixing a lot of things. And this was all for today. Thank you very, very much for your attention. If you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, do it right now so that you to be able to receive all the news from me about iMarketing and not just that. So thank you. This was all, and I am very, very happy to see all these changes. I hope that you are also happy, and see you in the next video. Bye.